East Peninsula to give it some running space.
Okay.
And then it goes across the river and comes in the east.
Okay.
Oregon American Lumber Company 105.
Okay. And you just switch the two domes around.
So,
Well, I've been jumping from job to job. I started at the train store in Roseville, which is nice, but you can't stay at a hobby shop or whatever. Is that in Austin, that SP?
no, it's a Sunset.
Oh, it's somehow.
Yeah. This is how I get my exercise.
Mine too. Standard's way too high for yourself. It's fun to cheat a little bit.
Well, I can't put it behind the number 3. The number 3, my model is representing May 1929. That's something I'm going to have to see if Railtown will be willing to change at some point. His layout is more of a, it's more Sierra influenced in a few things.
So when is it going to end? But then the other one.
Run trains because I have every siding filled with cars.
Yeah.
I wish I had that. I would just
And
switch them off the layout.
I have probably almost as many cars.
I like that.
He turns too with his wings. I like little things like that. Ryan says that
So
there's a texture to it too.
see, because you do that, you cannot get the liveliness of that weathering